All right, everybody. Well, today you are going to start your process writing activity. This is going to take us all the way through Wednesday of next week. What you definitely need to do is to follow these steps each day, do each part as we go along, because this has been chunked to help you. So each day you're going to have your attendance in the folder. So you'll click on this folder right here, processing. For example, today is Monday, April 20th, so you'll click on it and you'll see your agenda for the day. You need to say here in the attendance, and then in the process writing planner assignment, complete day 1. You'll see some documents below in this attendance that you can click on. But for day 1, you will be identifying your expertise and defining your audience. Let me show you what the process writing planner assignment looks like. So you'll come down and you'll click on this process writing planner assignment, and this is what your document will look like. It says you are the expert, and it's outlined for you day 1. This is it, April 20th. This writing activity is designed to give you a chance to write about something you are the expert in. Everyone has some kind of expertise they're capable of sharing with the world, and someone may need to learn what you have to offer. So you're going to think about this. What are you an expert in? What's something you're really, really good at? Think of a procedure or an activity that you feel you're really great at. Maybe you can make a perfect muffin pizza. Maybe you know exactly how to apply eyeshadow or dye hair bright blue. Maybe you can defeat that impossible boss in a video game or explain how to play when the Saints go marching in on a harmonica. Maybe you can do a bicycle kick. What is it that you are good at? I want you to think of 3 things, 3 specific skills that you think you are good at. 1, 2, 3. You're going to type them into these 3 boxes. What 3 things do you think you are an expert in? Step 2 is to think about your audience. So from this list above, from skill 1, 2, 3, pick one skill. Which one do you think you could write about the best? Because you're going to be writing a paper ultimately with this, and you're going to be describing the steps to how to do it. Okay? So think about it. Which one do you like best? Which one do you think you could talk about the most? Right here, type in the skill that you have chosen. Skill I select is making a grilled cheese sandwich. What is it? What did you pick? Next, you need to identify your audience. So who needs to learn what you have to offer? Who would this benefit? Would it benefit a middle school kid who's just come home from school and would like to have a snack? Would it benefit a kid who wants to try out for the swim team? Would it benefit any parent who has small children? Who will this benefit? Describe your audience. Be very specific and write your answer in 3 to 4 complete sentences. That's all you have to do for day 1, because if you scroll down, you'll see this is day 2. This is for Tuesday. So day 1, you are done with your work for today if you have come up with 3 skills that you are good at, selected one of them, and defined your audience in 3 to 4 complete sentences. Something else I'm going to suggest that you do while we start on this process writing is to click on the student agenda that I have for you. It is in your box, but what I did was I just gave a brief outline of each day. So Monday, steps 1 and 2, Tuesday, 3, 4, like this, so that you have these in front of you all the way to the end. This would be a good document for you to print out and just kind of keep on your desk as we go through and check them off as you do them. You can find this in our folder. It's Student Agenda for Process Writing Project. It is here. It is also here. It is attached to this. You have all of these things at your fingertips. So again, today you are going into the process writing assignment. You are completing day 1. You're not submitting it today. You're just completing it on this document.